Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing June's Look Fantastic unboxing. This is the second month that I have now received this subscription and it is another beautiful looking box. This is a £15 a month subscription service, but there are discounts available if you sign up to multiple months. Meaning if you sign up for a rolling contract month by month, it's £15 per month. If you sign up to a 3-month contract like I did, it's £14.50 a month. And then I believe if you sign up to 6 months or 12 months at a time, it's cheaper again. And each month you receive 6 sample size products and a copy of Elle magazine. I do believe this month they've actually sent 7 products from what I've seen in the sneak peek in May's box. So let's get on to opening up. First we have the little booklet that comes with it. The only problem I found with this subscription service is the booklet containing the details of each of the items doesn't actually give you a full price of the samples that you've received, so you can sort of work out a value of your box. You have to kind of do your own research afterwards. It's not a major issue, but it's just a point of thought I should point out. And then here is this month's copy of Elle magazine. It's not a magazine that I will generally purchase, but I find that it is 99% adverts, but it's always handy to have a little flick through. This month's box is very blue. First of all, I'll start with the product that I would say I'm least excited about. This is the Vita Self-Tanning Gradual Lotion with marula oil. I can't actually remember the last time I applied false tan, and I know it's a gradual tanning lotion, which is better than full-blown false tan in my opinion, because I'm more likely to make a mess with false tan, but I just don't think I'm going to be reaching for this, so I'm probably going to pass this on to a friend who will make better use of it. But it's a nice little idea to stick in the box, especially coming up to summer months. A lot of us pale folks do need a bit of help here and there, but I'm just not confident in applying false tan at all, so probably won't reach for this. Another product we've received is the Christophe Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. I'm really intrigued by this, but it's probably not one I'm going to use. It kind of looks like a pot of mud. But I do not need any more volumizing in my hair, as you can probably tell. So it's not something that I'm going to use, but I will find sort of an appropriate friend to test it for me and see if I can get some feedback, because I'm intrigued as to how it works. Let's see what it says in the little book. It cleanses and nourishes your hair, leaving it revitalised and full of bounce. It works to absorb dirt, oil and impurities, lifting your hair and giving enhanced strength and thickness. Work it into your scalp, emulsify and then rinse. It says you can also use it as a hair mask as well. So I suppose it is a dual product and that it can be used as a shampoo, conditioner or hair mask. And it looks like you would get a couple of uses out of the size of the pot. But I just don't want to risk any more volume in my hair, because I desperately try to take the volume out of my hair and I'm not very successful. So I will probably pass this on as well. So we have this cute little foil package, which is a essential day cream. I'm not a big fan of receiving foil packets or things in subscription boxes, but I suppose this is a bit better because it's resealable. I feel very moisturising on the back of my hand. It doesn't really have a scent. It's very faintly perfumed, but not. I mean, I have just got over a cold and my scent smells not best at the moment, but I can smell something, but nothing too overpowering or offensive. It says best to be used after one of their serums, which I obviously haven't got, but it has made my hand feel very soft, so I will definitely give this a go. I've just actually spotted on the back that it does have a kind of RRP of $10 or £6. And with it being printed on, I presume it is for this actual size. So I paid $13.50 for the box. If this is worth the £6, then that's half the price of the box already, so that's not too bad. Next we have the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash, and this is a 30ml sample. And Elemis is a really good brand, and I think it is quite pricey as well, so the size of this sample, this is probably quite expensive just for this size. I was looking for a good facial wash, kind of hoping I don't like it because a full size of it would be really expensive, but really looking forward to giving it a go. Next we have this Rituals body cream, and this is a organic white lotus and Yi Yi Ren. That is a thicker consistency than this one, but still feels really smoothing. And this has got a stronger smell than the other one, but this smells really nice. It smells like it's like vanilla-y sort of perfumed kind of smell. Sorry, I'm really rubbish at describing scents, but it's a really nice fresh scent, and say it's not too offensive, it's not too overpowering. So this seems like it is going to be a really nice moisturiser, so looking forward to trying this properly. The more I smell it, the nicer it smells. The next thing is this Madara SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask. So this looks like a good size sample as well. The box is deceiving. They have a little insert in the box to make it look like a bigger sample, but it's actually quite a small sample. This is only 12.5 mils. So this says to apply to your face and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. And as I've just held it up to the camera, I can see that it is also only filled up to here. So it is a very small sample. I hate when subscription companies do that. It's a good way to try things, but I need enough of a product to try them. So I will give it a go, but I can't see how much I'm going to like this one, probably out of principle. The final thing in the package is a Studio 10 liquid eyeshadow. And I suppose this works along the same lines as the sort of Stila glitters. And it is a warm gold colour. Really thin consistency. It looks more silvery on the back of my hand than gold. But it looks quite pretty. I don't think you'd be able to, I think you'd need a lot of this to apply it all over your lid. It's probably more of a sort of topper highlighter than an actual all over lid colour, because I say it's quite a thin consistency and it is taking a few sort of go overs to get a decent amount of pigment on my hand. And I'm not going over a bit where I've got moisturiser on. That's a bit more of it on. So it is pretty. I will give it a go, but I can't see it being something that I'm going to rave over. So that is all the products in this month's box. Overall, not as good as last month's box. Last month's box was much better, but there are a few little things, like I'm looking forward to trying that. That smells really nice. I'm looking forward to trying that. The rest I can kind of take or leave. So hopefully next month's box is better, because that is my third and final month of my first subscription plan, and that is the month that I decide whether to continue with my subscription or not. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.